Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's have a quick education questions or knowledge recap on IAM Identity Center. So let's start with the first question. The first question is the first question is what is the full form of SSO? So I hope you answer this. The full form of SSO is single sign on. What is that? Single sign on. So let's move on with another question. Can I able to sign? Can I able to sign in multiple websites? Can I able to sign in multiple websites by using single sign on? Can I able to sign in multiple websites by using single sign on? The answer for this is yes. We can able to sign in for multiple websites by using single sign on. What do we call this? Signing of multiple websites by using single sign on. What do we call this? Signing to multiple websites by using single sign on. What do we call signing to multiple websites by using single sign on? SSO. What do we call? SSO. Okay. By using what service in AWS can I able to provide multiple IAM user credentials to a single user? By using what service in AWS can I able to provide multiple users, multiple IAM user credentials to single user? By using what service? IAM Identity Center. IAM Identity Center. By using IAM Identity Center service, I can able to provide multiple IAM user credentials to a single user. Right? Yeah. How can I achieve? How can I achieve providing multiple IAM user credentials to a single user in IAM Identity Center? How can I achieve? How can I achieve providing multiple IAM user credentials to a single user in IAM Identity Center by using SSO, by using single sign-on, we can able to achieve this. I hope you understood this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.